Yup. Alright, y'all. Know what I'm talking about, baby? That sound my blood shit, Get it to these niggas, man. I'm about to murk this big. Watch this out. Check this out, baby. You feel me, dog? Get it to these niggas, know what I'm saying? Hard work, entertainment. Hey! Bitch. 26 is on the money, all red hot tamale, pink and black diamonds got it looking like Pocahontas, Tiger Claw Chevy got me looking like a fucking light, guaps in my pocket, bitch, don't think I'm fucking light, diamonds look like crazy bread, bitch, I'm getting crazy bread, catch me on 7 Mile, bitch, at the liquor store, 7 Mile blood shit, yeah, we getting bigger though, try to diss my squad, bitch, and you will make the funeral, it's King Fest, bitch, and I'm back at these niggas' stove, yeah, I got dope, the same color as the box of soap, and it's hard work, and the boss be the fucking smoke. Let's get it, baby.
I need my money.
What the fuck is wrong with her? 7 Mile blood shit. Hard work entertainment, I'll be damned if I ain't rich. What? I mean, how you do that? 7 Mile blood shit.
He got him a little rap with him.
You gotta do that over.
Keep him a little rap with him.
Bitch.
He gon' fuck that hoe tonight.
Bitch.
Count the money down.
Bitch.
Smack that.
Alright, let's get it back. Sound my blood shit, nigga. King Faso, nigga. Bitch.
Get that bitch,
We gotta go.
It's Go Jay.